Hello, hello. Hello, guys. Hello. I'm good, Ajay. Thanks for asking. Uh, it's just started. It's fine. It's going good as of now. Hi, Gopi Krishna. Hi. Hi, Sanjay. Hi, hi. Hello, all. Thanks for joining. I thought to make video, but I don't have a proper setup to make video here. Like I don't have table and stuff. So in few days I'll be getting my stuff. Then I'll make videos rather than lives. Okay. OSCP exam, I'm planning to give this on end of this January. Which institute is better? I don't know about institutions, Gopi Krishna. Like there are, you can directly enroll in Aspen, I guess, aspen.eccouncil.com. So that's good. Okay. So that is what I did. Like if your college or something has something like that, then do that. But I can't recommend anything honestly uh, because some of the centers or the institutes are like scams. So you have to be a bit careful about that. I hope my audio and everything are fine. Do let me know if you face any issue. I'll try to sort them out. Uh, I'm currently in US, Pittsburgh to be precise. Mm, what's your average package? I don't know, man, exactly. Depends on the country. In India, I think it's 5 or 6 lakh. That's the average part to get. People are more than 30, 40 lakhs also. That's a different thing. Mm, where are your classes starting, bro? So my classes starts from January 16th, but before that, on January 8th and stuff, there are some few orientation and stuff that I need to attend. That's it. Interview tomorrow for freshers and cybersecurity. What should I prepare? Mostly look for the basics, Abhishek, and also look for what they are actually asking. It's not all the time about what you know, it's about what they require. Okay, for example, if their role requires of specific stuff, then try to prepare on that. So that is better in my opinion. I've in by bug bounty hard for beginners. Can you give me step zero to hero? I cannot give you zero to hero step because even I'm not much into bug bounty. Here I can do bug bounty also in US because there is some restrictions here. So that's the thing. But coming to that, how I generally did is like I take a vulnerability. I do try to find that those particular type of vulnerabilities on sites. That's what I do. So instead of testing for all the vulnerabilities, fix one. Like it can be authentication, SQL injection, command injection, and then do that. Is it based on what skills do we have or what? It's about skills. If you went till interview, then I think it's skills matters there. Till this is just a guess that I know. But before, your certifications will be useful till landing you to the interview. That's it. At interview, you should be the one who will be answering the questions and stuff. So that's the thing. So even though you don't have any certifications, as you said, you are having an interview. I think you done a good job. So you need to present the skills that you showcase to them. That's it. Then you can get the job. So I will complete CH certification offline, sir. Please tell me which city. So I don't know, man. I cannot give you the exact thing because I didn't took coaching centers. I'll be honest though. In Hyderabad and I think in major cities you'll find the centers, but I cannot recommend anything personally. Okay, so that's the thing. Uh, I cannot recommend anything because I didn't took it. So and I think you can find them in some of the major, in cities. I think in every city you can find that. You can go and Google that in. You don't need to go to a different city for that. Okay, you don't need to go to some different city. Sorry for that noise. You can just find it in your city if the place you're living in is big enough. Okay, or else you'll find it near only. So that is what I would recommend. And this is my ID card. I recently got that from Carnegie Mellon. I'm not showing all the information because there is a lot of PIA on that. And yeah, I couldn't prepare well for the OSCP, I'll be honest. After coming to US and settling up and everything, I think I didn't prepare well. Uh, I will do start preparation from Monday onwards, so that is my plan though. So I have to do some boxes and stuff before going out. So that was my initial plan, and I'll give it as soon as possible. Okay, so because it's been my goal, if I can't do that, it will be a big mistake on myself. So I'll do it definitely. So I'll do share my experience as well. And people do say that CMU is hard to get a hard, like you'll have a lot of assignments and stuff. But I'll definitely upload a video every week. It can be a video or it can be a live. I'll definitely come. I'll definitely keep this channel active. So because this channel gave me everything and I don't want to mess this up. So yeah. How to approach to get internship in web? It's all about applying, Ajay. So you can find that on LinkedIn. Okay, I don't know about internships, but jobs and stuff you can find it on LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor and stuff. That doesn't showcase much, I guess. But yeah, keep a track on everything, and that's the thing. So if you are applying on your own, right, you should manage a lot of stuff. So you should create some kind of Trello. There is an application called as Trello. So it's like a board. It's like a Kanban board. Okay, so where you can manage, you need to manage everything. So, like for example, if you have applied to 8 companies, uh, for example, if you have applied to a company, keep that in applied status. It's like a drag and drop. So you need to keep track on everything, and don't know like how to approach in the sense like apply. Okay, apply whatever it's showing to you. Okay, make sure the skills they're asking and the requirements match at least 80% to you, then I think you can apply. So just keep firing. Okay. Internships, you don't need to worry a lot because they will not ask much. Okay. So I don't know if there are some big tech companies, they will ask you more, but ask you more in the sense like they do expect more from you. But even though, most companies doesn't do that, so you can get in. So you need to keep applying a lot. So make sure your resume is good, LinkedIn is good, make sure every basics are checked up. So one thing, guys, like what mostly happens is like people do use everyone says like have a good resume and have a good LinkedIn profile kind of thing, but no one does that. So that's the problem here. So you should have that. So you can use Chat GPT. Nowadays AI is like very powerful. Okay, like I generated most of my resume through AI, Chat GPT. Yeah, that's it. That pretty much sums up everything. So Any questions and stuff you can always ask. Be happy to answer. And I did bought laptop recently, so I bought ThinkPad T14s. Okay, AMD version. This time I'm going with AMD version because I heard a good reviews from the community. Okay, from ThinkPad community especially, that saying that the AMD version is a lot better, it seems, in terms of thermal management and processing and stuff. So I just want to try AMD this time. So I'll post a video if possible. And also I also bought Flipper Zero. So it's one of the hackers, one of the most loud device. So I'll make videos on that as well, like a short kind of thing, like unboxing. I'll show you short information on Flipper Zero. So that's the thing. So you can expect some good videos, quick videos kind of thing on my channel though. And also a laptop, if possible, I'll try to show you why I bought that and stuff. So, and I'm planning to use complete Linux on that. So I'm just checking out which Linuxes are good. Since that doesn't have any graphics card and stuff, I'll be going with Pop OS. So the Pop OS is something that I'm planning to. Yeah. Anything else? Any questions? Anything regarding masters or whatever it is? Just post it here. I'll try to answer them. Currently it's 11 a.m. Sorry, it's 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 p.m. in US. Ooh, mine is Eastern EST, so that pretty much sums up. So anything, and I'm planning to make a LinkedIn series and stuff. So want to show and try to save whatever I want. Sure, my LinkedIn. So I feel that I'm maintaining good. Not sure though, but I just personally feel that okay, I'm doing good job on LinkedIn. Maybe like uh, putting posts like not too frequently, just sharing updates that are necessary and stuff. That's it. And if you want, if you feel it's useful, you can just uh, check that out. Okay, it's not a big thing. Like if you were like if you get something like inspiration from mine, you can just make that out. Make that out. Okay, not a big deal. And by the way, we surpassed 13,000 subscribers, and yeah, it's thank you guys. Thank you for all of you. Mm, Without you, it's impossible. I need to edit that. So any questions and stuff? If possible, I'll try to post a video on Monday. So I'll see what video I can post. I'll check my schedule and stuff, and I'll post a video honestly, definitely on Monday. So I need to go for my ECBD exam coming week, and I've gone through the study material without you. I don't fear, man. Nothing will happen. Last, you might fail. That's it, right? Not the end of the world. You can write it again, but learn something from what you failed. Okay, that's how it. That's how it is. So yeah. Mm, honestly, I think I learned a lot. So BTech didn't taught me much. It's all by self-study. Okay, I would say that's the thing. So I just learned everything that I'm talking about right now is all that I learned. OS course, operating system course, something that I learned a lot, which taught me a lot about Linux. I think Linux, I got introduced to Linux because of that. Then Kali Linux and stuff. Then that's how it went. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Learn basic, like learn operating systems. Okay, so that's the basic part, and there'll be something like computer. COA, computer organization, like related to computer parts, like how the deep dive works. Okay, like how internally, like in like how computers work and stuff. So yeah, like how internals of a computer works, like when they're assembled, and learn about database management. Okay, that's a common thing. And networking. So networking, I think most for pen testing and stuff, networking at the level of UG is fine. Okay, the undergraduation level is fine. And what else? Learn a little bit of coding, not learn bit of coding. Like it's not up limited to that. Like try to learn everything that you feel interested. Okay, you don't need to be. For example, if you learn this web development and stuff, you don't need to be a web developer, right? You can also be a web pen tester, right? So trying to understand the technologies will help you that way. Mhm. I'm stuck in recon. So, what type of vulnerability are you planning to uh, find out? Like, do you have any specific stuff in mind? I'm not a pro, but I'll just give you some kind of steps where to go, kind of thing. Then, if it's useful, you can start using it. Okay. You should start looking for like how generally people work is like if you want to have like injection based vulnerabilities, they try to find pages or information which has that. For example, let's check. I'm looking for SQL injection vulnerability. Then, what should be my goal? I should check all the URLs and stuff with my uh, all for my parameters and stuff. So I should get all the URLs with the parameters or which has like search parameter kind of stuff. So that's how you try to find out the recon. That's not like simply getting subdomains and stuff. No, you should find the URLs, the valid URLs or subdomains which will truly help you in order to test some vulnerability out. So that's the thing. Now yeah, TCM is offering 7 days. Yeah, we can access. Yeah. Just search it. I'm not sure with what you're saying. Filler UID. I don't know, maybe search on Google and stuff. If there is something similar, then it will be much helpful, right? Personally, I'm not sure and not sure about that, Mahir, so I can't help on that. Want to know we need to use console, okay? So you found a UID. What you want to look for, like find a UID, what you want to access the system, or you want to find the more information, or you want to get some kind of bypass, authentication bypass, or what? Not sure about that. And you can simply search Mahir saying that Istwiller UID is personal, like some API keys and stuff, right? They are not too private. So they are meant to be open source kind of thing. So you need to check whether that particular UID is a bit uh, uh, out there. Like it shouldn't be out there. Maybe some kind of a information disclosure kind of stuff. You should check that. So yeah, do check that and don't give up. Okay, so if you found something, right, so just keep on searching, just keep on reading articles, keep on reading walkthroughs. You did found a good point, so that's what I understood. So you found an important. Is it worth for bounty? I'm not sure. That depends, man, because if you are able to bypass it, and if it is a not, uh, I don't know what company it's all about also. Oh, thank you, Mahir. Hope it really helped. I did made basic videos, Mahir, so I didn't made much of, you know, just made few of the stuff that I identified. That's how it is. Hi, Pranjesh. Hi, how are you? So if someone says something like that, then do it does make me happy. Mm, come on, guys. What else? We'll have like 10 more minutes. Wind up the session. See if I can get some more questions. How much admin per month? That depends, yeah. Like I'll tell you an example. So there are teachers. If we take a teacher as a profession, right? So everyone teaches the stuff. So it can be different subjects and stuff. But let's take maths teacher. So maths teacher in a normal town who is working for a small school earns different, and a maths teacher working for a big coaching center which sends to IIT and stuff earn different. So I don't know earning can say like this much. There is a standard for earning, but it depends on the company you work, the skill you have, and all that stuff. So that's the thing. That's how I can keep that. Any more questions? So I think that is it for today. So if you still have any questions, feel free to connect with me on my Discord, LinkedIn, Twitter. You'll find all the links in the description below. Really thank you for joining for today. Uh, I'll see you soon with a video next time. So goodbye. If you are from India, good night. If you are from EST, good afternoon, whatever it is. Bye. Take care. I'll see you soon.